Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do voiceover on a TikTok application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the TikTok application, and after that you just need to add the new content to post to just by click a plus button here, and after that you can just do a direct record by clicking the duration of the video that you want for the content. But if you already have the video, you just need to click a upload and choose which video that you want to add to your TikTok application. And after you're done choosing the video, and just need to click next. And after that, to do a voiceover, you just need to take a look on this right button here on this right, and then after that just click this symbol to explore the other features, which is a voice, which microphone symbol here. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to click record and start recording by clicking this button. Okay, let's do the test first. Voiceover test. Okay, and after you're satisfied with the result, you just need to click done. Voiceover test. Okay, so if you're satisfied with this result, we just need to click save. Voiceover and after test next. Now you can add the caption, and before you pause, and after you're done with everything here, you just need to click pause to post this video into your TikTok account. That's all the way how to do voiceover on a TikTok application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.